Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel. Today, I will show you how to delete your Gmail account. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Gmail login. Hit enter and log into your Gmail account using your user credential. After you do this, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right. Now, when you click on your profile icon at the top right, you will see different options. Click on Manage your Google account. After you do this, you will see another page. Click on Data and Privacy on this page, that is this third option. Now, scroll down on this page or click on More Options and choose Delete your Google account. Now, when you click on this button, it will instantly take you to another page where you will get the option to delete your Google account and recover your data. So what you're going to simply do is click on download your data on this page. So if you click on this button, this will let you access to your data and you can download it. Now here you can select all the data that you want to include in the download file. So select everything that you want to download from your account and you can also deselect things that you don't want to download. After you do this, you'll have to just keep scrolling down, select and deselect things that you want to download and don't download and click on next step. Now, it will take you to this option where you'll have to click on send download link via email, box, OneDrive or another. Choose send download link via email. After you do this, click on export once. Now, choose file type and size as zip and click on create export. After you do this, Google will create a copy of your data from all the products and you can access it via email that you will get from Google. So you can get back to your Gmail and you will see the download file link in this area. Simply open the email and download the data. After you've done this, you'll have to simply scroll down and click on yes, I acknowledge and yes, I want to delete and click on delete account. After you click on this delete account button, your account will be permanently deleted. As you can see, my account just got deleted. If you would want to recover your account, simply click on recover your account on this page. So that's the simple way through which you can delete your Gmail account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.